These are Chloe's puppies. Hi, Chloe. How are you today? And that's Jenny playing with them. Hey. The little black one's sleeping. A little black boy is available. And there's Mama. Hey, puppies. Hi, puppies. Let's see if we can get him to wake up. There. Hi. Okay, Mommy. Let's see the boy.